Hey guys, real quick, I do want to talk about your independent practice. This is your assignment for today. It's my ideal science class under your Flipgrid classroom. All I want you to do is tell me what you guys want to see and what you guys want to experience in this science class. I will try my best to incorporate it. For example, we already talked about how we want mini jam sessions or dance sessions once in a while. We also talked about having fun times. Sorry about that. We also talked about having fun times by having maybe all of us sit together and eat once in a while. So give me your ideas, not just about fun things that you want to do, but also about the science class, like what you want to see, what topics you want especially to be covered, if there are any projects that you guys want to do. So go ahead, be creative. I'll see you guys later.